Good day everyone, and here we go again for the um, unpackaging. So this is episode 3 of ordering One Piece cards from a random shops, Shopee shops until it gets gone. So for today's video we have two parcels, one from Anime Point and one from Fortress Toys and Hobbies. So let's unahin muna natin yung sa Anime Point kasi mas lighter. Okay, I don't remember ito. Let's see. Last time bakit siya so it's in 8,000. Okay. Alright. There's a leader. I think this is Luffy, right? The promo one. Oh wait, I'm helping out, bro. Drop it. Caesar. Oh. There. Just keep Yep. Oh, this is not the leader. Ah, these are the promo one. It's a promo 05, no 055, and a Dawn card of Boa Hancock, and a, what is it called? So this is a blue and black Akainu Kazusuki. This one is a leader. I don't know what is the effects. Oh sorry, forgot the camera, bro. Focus. This is the, I thought there's a foil, bro, and foil there, some effects. No wonder it's just for 10 pesos. Okay, the other one. Yes, these are penny sleeves, right? So this is the, I really love this card, dude. The Boa Hancock Dawn card is just amazing. Dawn cards are, the back of the Dawn cards is white, and for the leaders it's red, and for the character or stage event it's I don't know, dark blue. Yeah, that's right. I brought all of this for 36 pesos. And this is 10, this is 10, and this is 20. 36 because I get a free shipping and discount. So let's open the from Fortress Toys and Hobbies unit. Weight of 62. Why is it kinda heavy? and I don't know why they, the box is not I don't know, maybe they don't have any box left. What bro, what? Guys, they just, bro, what are these? What are these, dude? This is Fortress Toys and Hobbies. Let me check their followers, because I don't know what the why did they give me this, bro? From Bang Jing. So this is like a card game. I don't know. Don't know why they sent me this. Okay, nothing left. Bro, what? There's no, there's no. See? Wala na isulod. I think this, there. Here's the cards. What? Why there's just so many, dude? What the fuck? No. Maybe they sent the wrong one, right? Like a wrong parcel. Maybe. Bro. Bro, I promise I didn't order this. I can show you the order details. I promise I did not order this, bro. Bro, what? So let's first open this distorted reflections. 10 card booster packages. What are these, bro? What the hell? Oh my god. Bro, why did maybe these are just freebies, freebies, yeah. Oh, it's not freebies. Here's the One Piece card, dude. And Chan! Oh, look at this amazing Luffy card. It's all colors. Again, I thought there's a foil. Maybe this is just a replica. I don't know. Look. There's no number. What the heck? Maybe. Oh, not for sale? Why is it? Why is it not for sale, dude? And Akira Ikawa. I don't know. I really don't know, guys. I checked the effects on this. There's no effects because this card can play the all colors like blue and other more. Bro, W freebies. Wait, let me. Oh, sorry, category. No, No, this is not Katakuri. This is Suzuk Sasuzuki. Nah, I don't know. Bro, even if there's no foil in it, it's still amazing. So now let's open this. It's in English too, dude. What? Bro, I can't believe it. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let me check on this guy's first. Maybe these cards are just, common ones. Oh, you see, there's no rarities. Oh, let me check. See, so these are from Goodness of Victor's Blessing on WS. So this is from let me. Bro, I'm literally shaking. Bro, W freebies, dude, from a random. I can't believe this. Oh, it's the same. No, it's not. It's not the same. Bro, what? Illustration Dragonite. I don't know, dude. I can't. Oh, is this really from Nick? Goodness of. I know the game, but I never played it. I never played it before. Oh, it's just. And here the last one, Dream Bang. Dream Bang Dream. Oh, it's the same. It's the same ones. Maybe these are just commons. And yeah, maybe. That's it. What do you guys think? Why is it not for sale though? Kinda. Whoops. I don't know why. Not for sale. Bandai made in Japan. I don't know if this is real or what. This one, is these cards have value or no? And I don't know. Let me research. I'll do my research. They're the same ones. ABM. So these are from. Wait. These are from IN Focus Man. Madaf. From IEN. Oh, C. So maybe these are just common. There's a C in it. IN EMP fast. Let me try to research. And see if there's value in it. So yeah, let's quick recap. This is Dawn card, see white, a Boa Hancock, and this is a promo. It says not for sale food. Look. The One Piece promo heard P00, no, P055, and this is P, there's no number, also not for sale. Oh, drawn by Nima. Oh, forget about it. Also not for sale, I think. Yep. This is drawn by